One of my clients was charged with date rape. Accused him of spiking a drink and putting her out and then having sexual intercourse with her. He had met this lady in a bar and they had sex the very first night that he met her. The woman was 25 years old, but proclaimed her virginity. And maybe she was a virgin. My client said that there was blood in the bed. The next morning, the woman said she was not menstruating. And, it seemed like maybe this might be the start of a relationship. He took the woman out a few times, and very first couple times they had really good time. But then he came to notice there were some weird things going on with this lady. And his intuition was screaming to him, get as far away as quickly as you can from this lady. And eventually that's what he did. Well, turns out that something was wrong with her emotionally. She keyed his car, brand new car, keyed it. One night he caught her and he thought, maybe that'll satisfy her. Just let it go, sweep it under the carpet. Hopefully I'll never hear back from her again. Well, no, that just wasn't enough for the woman. One of the many reasons you want to hire someone that has a lot of experience when it comes to sex crimes. The sex crime investigator happened to know me. We'd worked with each other in the past. He knew I'm straight up. I'm not going to promise him one thing and lie and do something else. So he trusted me. Like, it's paid off many times in the past with law enforcement. He said, Jack, I got some problems with this case. I think just between you and me, off the record, I think the lady's lying. So why don't you let him come in and talk to us? You might want to consider a lie detector. And you watch TV, you talk to some dumb lawyers around Houston. I would never allow my client to talk to an investigator. I would never allow my client to take a lie detector. Well, whenever you put something in stone, write it in stone, criminal offense, you're making a huge mistake, because there's nothing written in stone when it comes to criminal offense. Just a small change in semantics can change a case 100%. Can change a case of 180 degrees. In regards to this case, I actually advised my client to take a lie detector test, to cooperate with this investigator detective. He did. Case went right out the window. Turned out that this woman's father, it was an attorney, also a politician and very powerful. And, this guy would have been up the river if we hadn't cooperated from the beginning.
What are you supposed to do in that situation?
You've got to defend